Google finally revealed the new Pixel 9 Pro and we get the first official teaser. But apart from this, we already have the hands-on video of Pixel 9 Pro. This is the official teaser. Google started with showing off the Gemini, which will be included in Pixel 9 entire series. And that's a Gemini advanced version. To your surprise, this AI model will be available on Pixel devices only for 1 year. After that, no one knows how much they will charge for this. Although right now it costs us $20 per month, which is $240 per year. Still saving a lot of money while buying the Pixel 9 series, but I don't think people would go with the Pixel devices solely because of AI addition in Pixel 9 series. Apart from this, the design is something I want to talk about. The camera design is changed. It seemed quite thick compared to the previous generation, but I would love to see what Google give us under the hood. The cameras. As per source, there is no update to the cameras, but we will see. Although the sides are updated, those are now flat, which makes them more premium while holding a phone. Interesting thing is, Google didn't reveal the Pixel 9 XL, but Pixel 9 Pro, still keeping it a secret, the extra model in Pixel 9 lineup. Although we already have the hands-on look of Pixel 9 Pro XL against the iPhone 14 Pro Max and the Android King, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Comparing it with the iPhone 14 Pro Max, the sides matches the iPhone as both comes with the flat sides and both got glossy sides. But things are slightly different on the edges, where Google give us a slight curve to give it a better user experience. But when compared with the Galaxy S24 Ultra, the phone is slightly smaller, as it comes with a 6.7 inches display compared to 6.8 on S24 Ultra. Overall, this is a good size for both who wants a larger display yet a compact phone. This could potentially reduce the weight as well on the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Google also did a great job of changing the design between the Pixel 9 and 9 Pro XL. On Pixel 9, we get a glossy back compared to matte finish on Pixel 9 Pro XL. But this is opposite when we talk about the sides of both phones. Glossy sides on Pixel 9 Pro XL and matte sides on Pixel 9. This is the difference against the Pixel 8. The most prominent difference is the camera layout. Now, it doesn't go all the way to the edges, and it looks slightly thicker in size compared to the last year. Also, if you notice, there's a big difference in the curvature. Pixel 9 entire series will going to come with a flat back, but look at the previous models. Those were curved, but not anymore on the Pixel 9 Pro. The release date is confirmed from the official teaser. Google will launch Pixel devices on August 13, 2 months earlier compared to the launch of previous Pixel devices. The Fold market will see a big competition from Pixel Fold as the Fold 6 is just launched. On this note, if you find value from this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.